Hello and welcome. Grafana Champion is here. My name is Daria Volkova, and this channel helps you utilize Grafana to its full potential. In this video, I am happy to announce a new product from Volkov Labs. This product incorporates many years of software development experience, but most importantly, business user experience. Introducing Big Alerting. BI stands for Business Intelligence and G for Grafana. Alerting has been one of the most utilized Grafana features, yet configuring alerts might be challenging for people on the business side of the processes. In the Big Alerting, we removed all command line obstacles and added BI analytics capabilities, so now Grafana alerting can be used for any business process. Are you ready to learn more? Let's go! Alerting is a system to observe how your data changes and, most importantly, to act when a change occurs. We can talk about three main alerting components. An alert rule, it is an instruction to evaluate the observable data. Most alerts rules have parameters like time frame to check, how often, query to run SQL, PromQL, etc., and thresholds. The second component is an alert record. It is created when observable data goes beyond the threshold. The third is an alert action. It is an action triggered by an alert record. Let's review how it all comes together in Grafana. Alerting is one of the Grafana features. I displayed here as a rectangle inside the Grafana application, with the other features being here. The process starts with someone or third-party API creating an alert rule. Grafana has an alerting UI where you can create, search, and filter existing alerts. Next, following the alert rule, an alert record is created by the Grafana Manager. The Grafana Manager does two things. First, it observes the existing alert rules and runs the specified queries. And second, it calls the configured alert actions. The alert action is the third component. Grafana has a notification channel system which sends messages via text, Slack, email, and so on. Based on the number of questions we received from the community about configuring the notification channel system, I can assume it has a steep learning curve, even for seasoned Grafana users. There is a door for the third-party webhooks. It is out of the Grafana scope, which is why I displayed outside all boxes on my schema. These actions can be anything, for instance, turning an AC on if the temperature is too high. The alerting works in a deep collaboration with the rest of Grafana features. The Alert Manager submits records into the annotation table, so every alert record becomes an annotation, and Grafana displays it on the visualization panels as vertical lines. Data sources is the place to run specified alert queries, and those can only be the back-end data sources. Dashboards participate in the process as a reference to display broken hearts. Thresholds are configured separately from the rest of the alerting manually by a user. The existing alerting system is fantastic for observability and DevOps personnel. For business users, let's review Big Alerting and what it has to offer. It keeps the logical steps. It still has an alert rule, an alert record, and alert action. Rather, it changes how those things are done. Instead of the alerting UI, it offers the alert rule management panel. It is business user-friendly. In the future, we will add search, sort, cluster actions, etc. Alert timing can be configured using cron expressions, which can specify a frequency of any complexity. In the future, we will have a tree view to simplify work with a large number of alerts. The BI Alert Engine replaces the Alert Manager. To communicate with the BI Alert Engine data source, you need a token. The community token allows you to have up to 10 alerts. In addition to the back-end data sources, it works with the front-end data sources. It uses dashboards as a source for alert rule queries. It also utilizes the specified threshold, which reduces the manual user work. There is no need to replicate thresholds in alerting UI. Also, you can use multi-layered thresholds like low-low, high-high, and so on. Performance optimization and upgrades are easier since the Alert Engine and Grafana in separate containers, and therefore you can host them on different servers. The last of three components is the webhook configuration panel. In addition to all existing functionality, it has a user-friendly interface. You can manage pre-configured webhooks in one place with an intuitive interface. The project is very new. We are welcoming early adopters. Please get in touch with us if you are interested in being part of the roadmap discussion or QA process. Your feedback is essential for us and will shape the future of this product. To become more familiar with this product, you are welcome to download it from our GitHub repository. For now, it's just a POC product to get a slight idea of what it's all about. Our roadmap is dense. The official launch of this product is planned for the January of 2024. Among the incoming features in the future, regex pattern for string fields, anomaly detection, forecasting and alerting on the predicted events. We're excited to share this product with the community. We believe it will help streamline many applications and solve plenty of long-standing issues. Let us know what you think, and happy big alerting to Volkov Labs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.